So guys, I've just lost the drone. Hello friend. That's nice. Hi everyone, welcome back. A little bit of an unplanned video today. Today I was in the forest, went for a run, and I thought what a perfect opportunity to get the drone up in the air and get some practice around the trees in full manual mode. And as you'll soon see, I sadly lost the drone. It all went completely wrong. Well, enjoy the footage guys, and I will hopefully see you in the next video. Appreciate you watching. As always, if you can like the video, drop a comment down below, and we'll see you at the next one. So guys, I've just lost the drone somewhere in the forest, and I've enabled turtle mode, but it didn't work, so I'm relying on the beeping, which I can just hear now. See if we can find it. Oh, I found it. There we go. And there we go guys. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's actually quite loud. There we go. Found the drone. Well guys, looks like it's an early finish today. As you can see there, that is as a result of that fall, so I might have to repair that. It took a little bit of a beat in there. You know, it still flies, but that propeller does rub, so I'm gonna have to look at that. Good job I'm insured and have the DJI Fly More cover, so we'll have a little bit of a investigation when we get home and see where we stand. So guys, after getting the drone home, as you can see there is a nice big split in the casing, and upon further inspection I think you can one of the antennas is actually in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue it back together, give it a good rub down, and I'm also going to replace the propeller. The propeller was in pretty good nick, but just to be on the safe side, we'll give that a replace, and that should be completely fine. I did put the drone in the air again just to make sure it could fly, and it does fly. I just want to make sure that's fully, as you can see, it's not lined up, so we'll have to get that lined up, and hopefully that sorts the problem out. But as always guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.